Hey, what's going on, guys? Quick review on this gun safe here. Sorry about the lighting and about the space position. I'm in my garage and I'm kind of cramped, but this is where I have it mounted. So I just want to give you a review and just show you everything I can about it really quickly. It was super simple to install. Basically, it just comes with a packet of hardware. I have it screwed into some wood here. If you screw it in the top holes, you just have 2 screws that you use to mount it. This isn't like an anti-theft thing. It's for safety or protection to keep this out of hands of people who shouldn't be having it, right? So there's 3 ways to unlock it. It comes with a set or a keyhole down here so you can unlock it with the key manually. It also has a battery pack in it, so you charge it up, which allows you to unlock it using the electronic components or devices here. So you have the option of key again, which is manual, the option of fingerprint, and the option of keypad here. For the key, that's it, like an automatic bypass of everything. So I definitely say keep those keys in a separate safe place. For me, I have another safe that I'm going to keep my keys inside of it, and that way no one else can access it unless you either set them up a special code or their fingerprint here. I think this thing said you can set up to like 80 different fingerprints just to test it. I actually did all 5 of my fingers here. So my thumb, you see it turns green and unlocks. Hit the red button over here and it locks it down again. My index finger, middle finger, ring finger, you can hear it unlocking, and my pinky. So all of my fingers on my right hand will do it, and I'm going to show you that it won't just do it for everything. So I use a different part of my thumb just to unlock it, and you can see it beeping. It won't let me in there. You can push codes in and it keeps it locked in. Now for setting your code, it's any combination, was it between 5 and 10 digits. So by default, it comes with a combination of 1, 2, 3, 4. I set one up just to see how easy it would be to change of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and that unlocks it too. And then when you want to reset it, it's pretty simple. You just follow the instructions. It was a little bit confusing overall to set up the fingerprint and all of the key codes here, but once you figure it out, it's not that bad. I think the only thing to point out that is a little bit of a nuisance is that once you have it mounted, it's a bit harder to change because all of the buttons to set or change or reset everything, they're on the bottom of this thing. So once you have it mounted, you're gonna have to try to like get under it and go back and forth to get everything set. So it could be a bit of a pain. So I suggest setting everything up before actually mounting it. But it is a overall really solid feeling safe. I mean, I'm trying, I can't reach around to access anything. It has 2 slots here. So it has 2 slots up here to put your magazines, which I left out for now. I feel really comfortable with this thing. I feel like it is safe and secure. I wouldn't worry about anyone getting access to it that I didn't want to have access to it. So yeah, I definitely think it's a good safe, good value, just overall a solid quality product, and I do really like it.